Well, as we wind down the dog days of summer, the wind, the rain, the heat from the sun can take a real toll on your home and property. Here are a few tips for maintaining and repairing. The summer rains will be ending soon, and it'll be time to look at your irrigation system to water your lawn. Take a look at your sprinklers, make sure none are leaking, check the direction, check the timing on the controller to make sure that they're running the right amount of time. This will help your lawn a lot and will also save you some money on your water bill. And don't forget your garden. The wind and the rain feed your flowers and your plants, but it also washes away your mulch and feeds your weeds. So check and make sure you have enough coverage in your garden and make sure you pull those weeds. Take the time to take a look at your windows on the outside. Look at the ceiling all around the windows, the caulk. The sun can dry and crack that caulk, and if that happens, it's an opportunity for water intrusion. While you're at it, take a look at the screens on your window. Fall is coming, and you'll want to have good screens when you open those windows. Along with the wind and the rain comes debris, and that goes into your gutters and into your downspouts. The main purpose of a downspout is to move water away from the house. Make sure your gutters and your downspouts are clear and water is flowing freely. And while you're outside, this is a good time to take a look at the paint on your house. If it's starting to fade, get powdery, or you see cracks, pay attention to that right away. The wind, the rain, and the sun can really take its toll on what's covering your house today. So, everything we've spoken about today for your healthy home has been on the outside. We want you to stay healthy too. While you're working outside, don't forget to hydrate, wear sunscreen, wear a hat, and be careful up on that ladder. For this healthy home, I'm your Mr. Handyman, Dennis McGee.